Hey everyone, want to send money quickly and safely from USA to India with low fees and real exchange rates? Wise is one of the best platforms for this. Today I will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First of all, sign up for Wise. You can register using your email or by connecting your Google, Apple, or Facebook accounts. Signing up is quick and easy, and sometimes you will find special offers through referral links. Next, enter the amount you want to send in USD. Wise will automatically calculate the exact amount your recipient will get in Indian rupees, including all fees and real exchange rates. No surprises here. Choose whether this transfer is personal or to your own account and decide if it's a one-time or recurring transfer based on your needs. Now, enter the recipient's full name, bank account number, and IFSC code carefully. Accuracy here is key to avoid delays or errors. Choose your payment method. Bank transfer is the cheapest but takes longer, while debit or credit cards are faster but may cost a bit more. Wise keeps your payment information safe by securely linking your bank account. Before confirming, review the transfer summary carefully. It shows the amount sent, fees, exchange rate, and estimated delivery time. Once you confirm your money is on the way. You will get email updates tracking the transfer depending on your payment method. It can arrive within a few hours to a couple of business days. And that's it. Sending money from the USA to India with Wise is simple, transparent, and affordable. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more easy money transfer tutorials. See you in the next time.